What's up everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencian. Welcome back to Chulation Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC! Na-miss niyo ba ako? Because I missed you guys so much. Bunso Ruel Carino is back in Eat Bulaga at nag-perform nga siya ng teleserye theme song na Jesus ng Aking Buhay. I'm so excited for this. But before we proceed guys, I just want to make a very special mega love shoutout to my Mami Sani, ang ating solid ka-RCFC. Mami Sani, happy as a birthday to you. O, dito ko na shinout out ang iyong pa-birthday greetings dahil alam kong manonood ka ng reaction na ito for Ruel Carino. Kaya naman isang happy as a birthday. Cheers to a good life. Happy 73rd birthday guys to Mami Sani. So I hope you can comment and greet Mami Sani, ang ating solid ka-RCFC para sa kanyang selebrasyon ng kanyang kaarawan. Yes, maraming salamat po for always supporting Truly Asia Diaries. And of course, sa mga bago dyan na ka-RCFC, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Oh no. Teleserye Jesus ng Aking Buhay. Oh, my best friend Eman. Ay, pumayat ang bunso! It's so nice to see Ruel back. Pogi pa din, pero pumayat. Nagkasakit kasi. Wow, na-miss natin yung boses nila. Ganda ng vibrato. Oh my God, nakakamiss ang Ruel and I'm so happy that he's back, but it seems like talagang pumayat siya, no guys, sa kanyang pagkakasakit. But we're so happy that he's back to Eat Bulaga, and of course, we are hearing how beautiful vocal of Ruel. And alam niyo naman, isa na siyang teleserye theme song singer. Grabe! Ganda ng low tone. Yan yung placement ng vibrato. Grabe, nag-goosebumps ako. Ganda ng switching na yun. That dynamics is really good. You know, very heartfelt yung pagkakakanta ni Ruel. At super serious siya, no? Kasi siguro wala pa yung talagang full energy ng Ruel kasi kakabalik na lang, and of course, galing nga siya sa sakit. So, let's go back to that chorus part, guys. Ganda ng buga ng vibrato. Grabe, goosebumps. Wow. Very heartfelt. No, grabe. Like, you're just very soothing vocal, and the way that it's singing it, mararamdaman mo talaga, iba ang boses talaga ng ating bunso.
Ganda naman.
Ay, tapos na pala. Ayun na pala yun.
Ng Aking Buhay.
Oh.
Congrats, Will.
Congratulations to Bunso.
Ruel Carino.
Love it! Ganda. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Jesus ng Aking Buhay sa Eat Bulaga. At grabe guys, nakakabitin. Akala ko buong kanta. Nagulat naman ako at talaga namang hindi pala buong kanta yun. Kasi nga di ba may kaduet siya doon na babae. Magaling din yung babaeng kaduet niya guys. I think nanalo sa Singaling sa TV5. Tapos si Ruel naman is from The Clones. Grabe, iba rin yun. Panoorin niyo reaction ko dun sa music video na yun. Baka hindi niyo pa napapanood. Nasa channel na natin yan. And of course, we are so happy that Ruel is back. Baka naman may iba pa siyang performance, guys. You can comment down below and give me the link. Oo, kasi ang hirap talaga maghanap nowadays ng performance ni Ruel kasi wala pong link. And of course, alam niyo naman, wala tayong link, kaya hindi tayo nakakapag-react. But of course, we are so happy that he's back to Eat Bulaga and very, very well with an amazing performance for today. And of course, ano masasabi niyo sa pagbabalik ni Ruel? You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other requests, just comment down below and we will check that out for you. So once again, my name is John. This is Shoelace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.